Hello everyone, welcome back to the DevDone channel. Today we'll be looking at the includes function from the string object in JavaScript. So what this function actually does is it gives you a case sensitive search to find whether a particular string or substring is present inside the other string, and in return it provides you a true or false boolean value. One common scenario where this function comes in really handy is while implementing a kind of a search where you are trying to type in a particular substring and you are going to find that in the object or the list below. So here, as you can see, when you typed AD you get Adele, and similarly when you type in CA you'll get Kelvin. So this is kind of a search for a substring inside a string, which is done by the includes function. So now let's try to use the includes function. Here, as you can see, we've taken a string which says DevDone is an awesome tech channel, which I'm pretty sure everyone agrees to. For the purpose of this demo, we will be using the Quokka.js extension for easier and faster outputs. And if you are not familiar with this, I will add the link here, and also in the description box you can go ahead and view the Quokka.js video for reference. But for now, let's get into using strings includes. So here we have the string, and we can run the dot includes and check for dev done, and you'll see that it prints true. It also does a case sensitive search. So if we try to change the dev done's string, you will see that the result is false because it did not match the case. Also, there's another we can also pass a second parameter to the includes function. What that does is it takes the position from where you can start the search. So if I put 4 here, you'll see the result is false, whereas from 0 it is. You could also search for any other portion of the string. For example, we'll replace this with is an awesome, and you'll see that it is still printing true because this particular substring is a part of the main string. Coming back to the search functionality which we talked about previously in this video, here we have a list of users with their names and their ages. You can see the name Adele, Kelvin, Aman, and we'll consider a search string. Ideally, this search string should come directly from a user input, but for the purpose of this demo, we'll keep it hard coded here. Let's say the search string is AD, and it should print out Adele here. So let's implement that. We'll take a variable result, and this will have users filtered on the basis of, sorry, we'll use user dot name, and we'll use the includes function, pass in the search string. So now if we print the result, we should see Adele here. Again, now if we change this to CA, you will have Kelvin as the result. To fix the case sensitivity part, what you can also do is chain this include function along with the two lowercase function here, and also add the same function here, and now both small case and capital case will work pretty well. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the DevDone channel. Like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for many more videos coming up soon.